All right, so this is what you call a good friend. Sent me all this stuff. Looks like a light. License plates. Another light. Some batteries. Another battery. Oh my gosh. This might be enough gloves. Magnetic dish. More batteries. This is my buddy Tony, by the way, who had me driving that truck back to Mass. Big safety glasses. Tony and Vic, that is. Oh my goodness, here's something. Look at this. A bunch of wheels. Cutting wheels. That is something I really hate buying, and I was actually thinking about buying some, so this is awesome. All kinds of different sizes there. That's sweet. More gloves. A charger for them batteries. Milwaukee batteries, by the way. Y'all know how expensive those things are. I'm too cheap to buy them. Oh, look at this. An air tool chuck thing. This is like Christmas. Here's a drill. That's for those batteries there. Oh, here it is. This is the one that he was hoping I had that I didn't. 1/2-inch drive. Milwaukee impact gun. I'm going to set that on that because my wife will get mad that I'm putting shit on the bed. There's another, there's a driver with a chuck in it and a bit. We ain't done. We got one more. 1/4-inch gun. Impact probably as well. So, stuff all this back in there. Here it is. Thanks, Tony and Vic. I'll see Tony because he's missing all this now. But this is awesome, man. This is great. I appreciate it. And we're going to use them when we start putting all that stuff on the truck. In fact, I'll give you guys a little peek at what we got going on with the Ford. These are all the Ford parts that are going on that truck. Everything from, I mean, this box here is just packed with stuff. Small parts, so lights, you name it, it's in there. Got new springs, I think. I haven't gone through it yet, but I'll be doing that shortly. But it's awesome. That's a bunch of parts to put on there. Kind of just staging them right here. All the ones for the Chevy are in the barn. The ones he got me. So anyway, that's what we got going on. Later, guys.